Thank you to Police Watch's YouTube channel for providing this video. For educational and entertainment purposes only. Viewer discretion is advised. On January 13th, 2023, officers conducted a traffic stop on a young woman who was speeding and swerving all over the place. When the officers approached her, she said she needed help and seemed to be in some sort of distress. Officers eventually asked her to step out due to her level of intoxication. She said because her dad is a lawyer, she couldn't step out. Officers eventually forced her out of the vehicle, and she began to act unusually. She started crying, hyperventilating, and eventually laid flat on her back on the road. This is footage of the events that followed.
26 miles, Garden Square Shops off EJ. Hi there, I'm Austin Hensley with Palm Beach Gardens Police Department. The reason I'm pulling you over is you are speeding and swerving all over. Is there any reason why you're doing so? Huh? What do you need help with? Okay, yep, I can help you. Okay, what's going on? Talk to me.
Trying to go to my boyfriend's house.
Okay, where's your boyfriend then?
Over there.
Where?
9th Avenue. It's the... I'm sorry, hold on.
What community does he live in?
I'm sorry.
What community does he live in, man?
It's just the... It's not like a... It's not gated. It's just the one.
Okay. Where are you coming from tonight?
My parents.
What are your parents?
Advice.
You what?
I'm sorry, no, I'm out of...
Alright, you got your license on you? Let's start with that, okay? We'll deal with whatever you got going on, alright?
I don't have drugs.
I didn't say you did. Where are you really coming from?
My parents.
Where do your parents live? Let's start with your license, and then we'll talk about whatever's going on. Have you been drinking tonight?
I have PTSD and I'm trying to get to a sleep place, but do you have any...
I don't know what's going on, so I can't help you.
I'm just saying. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
well, let's start with your license so I can find out who you're at.
I'm sorry.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
I just said I...
What's that? Can you shut the car off? Alright, be honest with me. How much have you had to drink tonight?
You can go run that.
Okay. 5-2 to traffic.
Hi, good evening, Ms. I'm Officer Flink, Palm Beach Gardens Police Department. How you doing tonight?
There you go.
Here I go? Okay, not doing too well?
No, he asked for that.
Well, he asked for it. Let me take a look at it here. Where you come from, Nut? Yeah, this is a certificate of title, and this is a service receipt. And this insurance card expired 3 years ago. This registration's expired. Bert, have you had anything to drink tonight?
No, I answered this. I'm having a PTSD episode.
From what?
From what?
Yeah.
Being gang raped when I was a child.
I'm sorry to hear that. Why would this trigger that?
I'm asking for help. This is not triggering it, but I'm trying to get to my boyfriend's house, so please.
Okay. So you haven't had anything to drink?
No.
No cannabis, no narcotics?
No.
Okay. Alright, if you would go and step out of the vehicle and make sure you're not under the influence, and we'll have you on your way, alright? To make sure you're not under the influence.
You want to search the car? Is that what
No, just do what the officer says. That's what it's about. That's all you have to do. And you'll be on your way.
Alright, come on back over here for him, please.
I'm not allowed to.
You're not allowed to? What do you mean? Why aren't you allowed to?
I'm not allowed to at this point.
Why?
My dad's a lawyer.
Your dad's a lawyer?
And I'm not allowed to.
Okay, well, even as a lawyer, he would tell you if you're ordered out of a vehicle that you have to comply. Okay?
He's told me otherwise.
No, he wouldn't tell you that you don't have to come out if you're told to.
I mean, he's a piece of shit, so...
That's what it
He's
sounds like
probably
he would
drunk,
say. Yeah, he's
but-
giving you bad information. So if you would go and step out, if you're not under the influence, you'll be on your way.
Okay.
All right, so
But
come on
I'm not
out.
allowed to, so... We can do whatever. I can park here. We can do whatever, but...
No,
I'm
go
not
ahead and step
allowed
out.
to. I'm not allowed to.
Why are you not allowed to? Here, let me just leave this over here. Explain to me why you're not allowed to.
He'll kill me.
He's not going to kill you. He would tell you, if he was giving you sound legal advice, he'd tell you when you're ordered out of a vehicle to step out.
Yeah, I'm sure.
So this is the last time I'm going to ask you.
I'm sure he's wrong, but I'm not allowed to, so I...
Anna, I'm about to tell you something. I want you to listen. Alright? You're coming out of the vehicle. One way or another. Okay, you can either step out and cooperate, and if you do the exercises and you're not determined to be under the influence, you'll be on your way. Or, he's giving you a lawful order to step out of that vehicle. You could be charged with obstruction as of now. So if we have to open that door and remove you from the vehicle, you're going to be charged with obstruction.
I'll get out.
Okay.
All right, so come on out.
But I'm sure I'll be charged with that.
Come on out.
I'm not allowed to.
Come on out of the vehicle.
car, you will not be charged with obstruction.
I'm not allowed to.
Last chance.
I'm not allowed to.
All right, come on out. Come on out. Come on over here. Okay? Do you have any medical condition with your eyes not corrected by glasses? What do you got?
I get seizures, myoclonic seizures,
Okay, what does that have to do with your eyes?
lights.
What about it? We don't have any flashing lights on in the front.
I don't know. Myoclonic seizures.
Okay. Do you have anything else with your eyes besides seizures?
No.
Are you able to walk a straight line?
Yes.
Can you balance on one foot?
Yes.
All right. You want to bring your feet together for me? Hands at your sides. Do you see this red light here? You're going to follow the red light with your eyes only, and you're going to keep your head still. Do you understand?
Yes.
Don't move your head. Keep your head still. What's going on?
Big deep breaths, Anna.
Do we have to call fire rescue?
Anna, do you need paramedics?
I tried my best to hold it together.
I can't understand you.
I tried my best to hold it together.
You passed what?
I tried my best to hold it together.
For what?
Do you need paramedics, Anna? Okay. Let's know when you're ready.
Let me explain something, all right? This episode that you're having, while I understand that it might be genuine, we still have an investigation to do.
No, just give me
The more you're exasperating, I can smell the odor of an unknown alcoholic beverage coming off of your breath. So we got something to do here, and if you got to go to the hospital, we can continue the investigation there. would come to your feet, please. You still have to do the pen light test, all right? Give me 1 second. Go ahead and just wave with that officer right there. All right, Ms. If you would come on over here for me. Keep your arms at your sides and you count your steps out loud. Do you have any questions? Do you know what you got to do? All right, go ahead and begin. All right, for this next exercise, it's going to be the one leg stand, all right? You can go ahead and step off the line. You don't have to worry about the yellow line no more. All right, so go ahead and just stand right in front of me right there. Right where the flashlight's at. Or you can just stand right there too. That's fine too. Okay, so go ahead and just bring your feet together for me.
Whatever. You guys are over it. Do whatever you have to do.
We're still giving you a chance. What are you talking about?
Shaking your head. I need to.
I'm not shaking my head. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and bring your feet together just like mine are.
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to waste your time. Just...
Not wasting my time. I'm on the clock.
Okay. You caught me in the middle of...
The middle of what?
You look back in your fucking video footage. I told you.
No, you didn't tell me anything. I don't know what you're talking about. Do you wish to continue the exercises, ma'am?
Just give me... Does anybody here have any tips?
Anybody have what?
I need tips.
Tips?
Deal with this.
To deal with what? The exercises?
Look back at your footage.
I don't understand what you're asking for help with.
How to deal with this?
To deal with what?
PTSD.
To deal with PTSD?
But like I just told you.
You didn't tell us that.
Well,
I told him.
I would suggest that you seek counseling for that, but during a DUI investigation isn't the time to deal with that.
It was not during it.
No, I'm saying...
You walked up to me and I told you all.
Okay, and that's not what I said to you. I said I suggest you seek counseling for that, but during a DUI investigation is not the time to deal with it.
Not during... Look back.
This is a
Look
DUI
back.
investigation.
Look back.
Okay, I'm going to ask you one last time, Ms. Gilbert.
Look back in your footage.
Do you wish to participate in standardized field sobriety exercises?
It's all there.
Are you going to stand up and do these exercises, yes or no, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, so when you're ready, go ahead and stand up.
I started emailing. We got a female officer, so I was
Just have them go around.
Come on, let's go. Yeah.
Ms. Gilbert. Ms. Gilbert, we were trying to do an investigation here. Please come to your feet.
Okay.
Bring your feet together, hands at your sides. This is going to be the one leg stand. Hands at your sides. All right. I'm going to explain, then I'm going to demonstrate. So hold all your questions until the end. Okay, go ahead and let's stand upright.
Take a big deep breath.
When I tell you to begin and not before then, you're going to raise 1 foot, either foot, approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's about the height of a soda can. While you're doing that, you're going to keep both knees straight. You're going to point the toes of your raised foot out at me. You're going to look down at your raised foot and you're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. The whole time your hands are going to be at your sides. If you place your foot down during the 30 seconds, just pick it back up and continue where you left off. It's going to go just like this. Watch me. 1001,
Yeah, I need
1002, 1003.
I need you to repeat all that.
Okay, just watch me. Just do exactly what I'm showing you.
I need you to start
No,
over.
you can just watch and do what I'm doing, okay?
Well, I need you to
So notice how 1 foot is off the ground.
everything that you just said.
Notice how 1 foot is off the ground. Both knees are straight. My toes are pointed out. My hands are at my sides and I'm looking down at my foot. This is all you have to do for 30 seconds. Do you see this? Do you see what I'm doing, Miss Gilbert?
I'm not doing this.
You're not doing it? All right. You're being placed under arrest for driving under the influence.
Okay.
And as well as obstructing an officer as well. All right, let's go over here.
Camera on, right?
Yep, we got 4 cameras out here.
Well, you didn't remember anything, so.
You didn't cooperate, so that's where we're at with that. All right, go ahead and take a seat.
You're safe. 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 Please.
All right, miss.
Please, can she drive? Please, her. Please, I'll do anything.
I'm reminding you that you're under arrest for driving under the influence
Please,
pursuant to
can I go
Chapter
in her car?
316.193 of the Florida State Statutes Revised. Okay? I'm now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take a breath test?
Please, I'll do anything. Can I just
If
go
you
in her
refuse
car?
to take the test
Please,
I've requested of you,
I'll do it.
your driving
Can I just
privilege...
go in her car, please?
No.
Please.
First of all, no.
Please.
You're driving with me down
Please,
there.
no. Please, I'm not. Please.
If you refuse to take the test
Please
I've requested
let
of
me
you,
go in her
your driving
car.
privilege will be suspended for a period
Oh
of
my
1 year for a
God,
first
I'll do
refusal.
anything. Just let me go
So
in
you're going to
her
provide a breath
car.
sample? You're still riding with me,
Please
but are you
let me
going to
go
provide a
in
breath
her
sample?
car.
All right, well, she said she'd do it,
Please
so
let
let's
me
go
go
do
in
that.
her. No. Please. Let me go in her car, please. Please let me go in her car. Please, no, please, can I go in your car? 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 I'm begging you, I'll do anything. Please, can I go in your car? Please, I'm begging you, let me go in your car. Please, let me go in your car. I'm begging you, please let me go in your car. Please, turn around, let me go in your car. Please, I'm begging you, let me go in your car, please. Please let me go in your car. No. Please let me go in your car. Please, I'm begging you. No.
Don't be a fool. Don't end up on Popo Cams. We hope you enjoyed watching and that you learned something. Take it easy.